Hey, what's up, guys? I'm just getting ready to go for work, and I just wanted to give a quick update to the Peruvian body wave hair that I purchased from AliExpress from International Nature Hair. I've been wearing the hair about 2 weeks now, and it seems to be pretty good. There is some shedding. I did actually buy fray check, and I sealed my wefts 2 times on both sides, but I still get a little bit of shedding. I just got that running my fingers through the hair. I didn't get any that time. It's not too bad. Normally I didn't get any that time. Normally just in the morning, when I'm just waking up and combing my hair. Anyway, so I did dye the hair twice. I still didn't achieve the color that I was looking for, although it did turn out to be a pretty color. And I did just put some a little bit of argan oil in my hair this morning. So it's feeling a little heavy right now, but normally it's really nice and flowy. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Okay, I don't know what I was doing. I was trying to show you the hair, but anyway, it's morning and it's early and I am, oh my God, tired. And I just want to go back to bed, so excuse the video. I do have a closure in, and I don't really know much about it. I ordered this from New Star Hair. I had it from before, and I really didn't use it, but so this time I tried to use it, and I just sewed it on right about here. I didn't secure the front at all. You know, it's just here. But I don't know. I think I did an okay job with it. Alright, I will be doing a better video probably tomorrow or later this week to show you guys the hair. Alright, thank you. Have a blessed day.